Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to count the numerical cells in the set of list. Okay, so I have what I have is three sets of data. One is the horizontal row, one horizontal list, and the second one is the vertical list, and the third one is the square two-dimensional list. Okay, my objective is to count only those values, number of cells having the numerical value. Okay, or in other words, numerical values only counted, not the blanks or other text or special characters. Okay, now how to count the numerical values? It is by the function count. Okay, in the horizontal list I am going to use the function count. Count the list. Okay, it's a horizontal list. You can check, enter. Is 10 values. Okay, let's check its numerical values are 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so totally we have 10 numerical values. That's why the count function returns 10. Now I'll show you how to count the numerical values on the vertical list. Okay, count the vertical list range and close, enter. You see it's 10. Okay, let's check. It is 10 vertical values there, 10 numerical values there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Yes, exactly 10 values. Okay, what about the square matrix? Okay, here how many numerical values are there? We are going to count it. Okay, so actually this square matrix has 65 rows, 65 cells. Okay, 5 columns and 13 rows. Okay, 65 cells. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to check the number of numeric cells. Count a whole set of matrix, close the bracket, it brings 50. Okay, so how many cells? The numerical values here is 50. Okay, is it, we will check it. 5 blanks are there and 5 texts are there, so 10 plus 5 special characters are there, so 15 non-numeric values are there. Total cells is 65 minus 15, which is 50, so it brings the 50. Okay, so now we know that using the count function you can check how many numerical values are there in the list. I already showed to you in horizontal, vertical and square range. So any type of data you can use the count function to get the numerical number of values. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and see you on the next video. God bless you.